What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at some screen protectors and accessories. These all come from RhinoShield. They hit me up and they sent all these out to me. Thank you so much, RhinoShield. Now we've got cases for the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy Note 9. Now they have cases and screen protectors for a bunch of different phones. I'll leave a link down below where you can find your phone. So they sent over their crash guard case, they sent their solid suit case, tempered glass protector, a impact flex back protector. Then you got lens adapters and a 4K HD wide and macro lens. Now the crash guard, it's actually got a certified military grade stamp on it. It absorbs at least 11 feet of impact. It has a customizable bumper case, changeable rim and buttons, and they have up to 16 colors to choose from, so you can customize these. They don't have to look all black. The solid suit one, this is the protection with a class of touch. They come in 7 premium finishes. We got 2, so we have the solid black and then we have the carbon fiber look. Now they're all 100% BPA, BPS, and BPF free. They're also stating that they used food grade materials, so it's safe around children. I'm not gonna try to eat these or anything, but it's nice to know. I think these would be a little difficult to get down and out. All right, so first off, let's check out the crash guard. On the inside, you've got instructions, shows you how to set everything up. So we got screen protectors all ready to go. Pretty basic screen protector. Now I'm not gonna use this, I'm actually gonna use the tempered glass one. All right, so the crash guard, it's pretty basic looking bumper, nice and flexible. It feels pretty heavy duty. Now what's cool about this is they have an accessory called Mod NX back plates, and they're a bunch of different back plates with a whole bunch of different designs, and these are compatible with it. If you don't like the clear back plate and you don't plan on putting on the back protector, you can go with one of those to get a little design going. Volume buttons are in the good place. You see it's got good clearance for all the different ports. I like how they added a little extra lip there so that way you can grab the pen. They have it raised up to where the screen doesn't touch. Yeah, and the back doesn't touch, so that's good. Feels nice and strong, good sturdy material. Okay, so then we got the solid suit. Very flexible, feels pretty solid. Oh, that is a snug fit. Oh yeah. These aren't just gonna fall off. Oh my God, I'm gonna break my nails. This is no joke. Man, all right. It's nice and clean. Same port clearance as the crash guard, but overall very nice. Try the solid. Oh my God, ow, come on. I have no nails, this hurts. Dang it. All right, so this is now permanently on my phone. I will cut this off. I will cut it off my phone. Ow! Ow! Dang it! Come on! I'm gonna have to take a nap after this. This is insane. Come on. Just that simple. There we go, and then there's the all matte black. Man, that's actually pretty nice. I think I like the carbon fiber a little more. All right, and here's the one for the S9. So same thing with the S9, you slap it in there like so. There we go. S9 with the crash guard bumper. Oh. All right, and then there's the carbon fiber. It's really nice, it's a super snug fit. I gotta say, when you put these on here, make sure you want it to be on because they are not easy to get off. All right, let's take my phone and we're gonna do the tempered glass protector. All right, so inside the booklet, we've got instruction manual, plus they have tutorial videos. That's cool. Open this up. Okay, so this, you put your phone in it and it keeps it nice and perfectly straight, so whenever you put the glass on, you don't have to do any real guessing. You just plop it on, it lines it up for you. Then we got a microfiber cloth and a dust removal sticker. We've got, ooh, there you go. So a real glass. I could tell just by holding it in my hand, it's definitely real. Check out the video, the last video I did on tempered glass. I actually broke one just to show you that they're glass. You can click that right here, or I'll leave a link down below as well. You take this, slap it in place like that. All right, now we just take the sticky and set it down. Hopefully I can get that out because that is ugly. If it's done right, it'll look like this. This is the one that I actually did correct. This one, not so much. If you take a little time with it, you could definitely do it with no bubbles. It's not that difficult. Follow the instructions, it's super easy. And of course they made a video, so that's great. All right, let's see what this back protector's all about. I like their packaging. It's all very simple. It's got a green hue to it. Interesting. Then you got the standard microfiber cloth and the dust removal sticker as well. Now, this is supposed to peel off a protective layer, but the whole thing is just kind of coming off. Is that the layer? Okay. All right. So it decided to stay on the A. I did what it told me to do, okay? I peeled A, the adhesive side, I peeled it. It's right there. So it's a clear coating, that's not gonna work. Not important. If you have the skills and the dexterity to do these, and you wanna protect the back, there you go. There's a thing that you can do it with. I'm not gonna do it anymore. That's just how it's gonna go. Okay. Okay, so maybe we could do a better job and check out these lenses. All right, so we got the adapter for the S9 and the adapter for the Note 9. All right, so the idea here is you wanna take it, you can see there's a slight notch cut out right here. So you put the adapter in place, just like that. Then you put the case on. There we go. Now you've actually got it in place, ready to go. We got them both on there. Now let's check out this lens. Ooh, okay, cool. So there you go, you got the instructions telling you how to do it. Wow, that is a weighty little lens. I like that. Your lens cap, and it feels a very high quality lens for sure. It's made out of high quality aluminum alloy. So right now we've got the 0.26 times wide angle lens, and we can unscrew that, pull that off, and now you've got your macro lens. So super tiny lens. And on the back, peel that off, and there's your little connector piece. I've got a battery here, super tiny, small text. All right, so I'm gonna take a regular picture here. All right, so that's a picture with just the regular camera. And here is with the macro lens. Look how sharp that looks. I'm liking that, that's pretty cool. But there you go, RhinoShield. They've got a pretty cool selection of cases, and I'm really liking the lens accessory. So if you go over to RhinoShield.com, put in the promo code Unbox Junkie and you'll get 10% off. But if you don't want to purchase it from RhinoShield.com, they have an Amazon store. I'll leave affiliate links down below. Either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below for these. Again, 10% off over at RhinoShield.com. Use the promo code Unbox Junkie, but I leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.